Ever felt this way? You're scrolling through Netflix, Hulu, or Max trying to pick a show, but an hour later you've got nothing. App closed, time wasted. Or maybe you're on DoorDash staring at endless food options, pizza, sushi, or maybe a trending Pokeball, but you're so overwhelmed you just pick something random. Or picture this. You're planning a weekend getaway with friends on Airbnb, debating between a Joshua Tree cabin, a Miami beach house, or a Nashville rooftop loft. And by the time you've figured out the itinerary, you're too stressed to even be excited. In 2025, our lives are drowning in choices. We're swiping through Hinge or Bumble for the perfect match, scrolling Amazon or Shine for the latest viral fashion drop, even deciding if we want oat milk, almond milk, or a matcha latte with our morning coffee. We've been told more options mean more freedom, and more freedom means happiness. But doesn't it feel off? The more choices we have, the less free we feel. We're just anxious and burned out. French philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre nailed it when he said, "Man is condemned to be free." For those of us raised to believe freedom equals happiness, that hits hard. So why does having more choices make happiness feel so far away? Today we're diving into Sartre's philosophy to figure out why, and we'll uncover the root of that constant anxiety you're feeling. More importantly, we'll explore how to deal with it in a world that's more overwhelming than ever. Let's break this down with some science. Psychologists call this choice overload, and it's more relevant than ever in 2025. Back in 2000, a Columbia University study had people choose a jam, 6 flavors for one group, 24 for another. The results? The group with fewer options decided faster and felt happier with the pick. The group with more options? They hesitated, gave up, or later regretted their choice. They missed out on something better, a classic case of FOMO. Fast forward to today, a 2024 study from UC Berkeley found that 70% of Gen Z and Millennials feel decision fatigue from endless options on apps like Spotify, TikTok, or even grocery delivery services like Instacart. Why? Because our brains can't handle it. Neuroscience shows that too many choices overload the prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain. It's like your phone freezing when you have 50 tabs open on Chrome. Worse, every choice triggers cortisol, the stress hormone that screams, "What if I messed up?" It's the same hormone that kicks in during a fight or flight moment. So, the more choices we face, the more our brain sees them as a threat, leaving us stressed out. Sartre called this the anguish of freedom, and science backs him up. That anxiety isn't just in your head. A 2025 report from the American Psychological Association says choice overload is a key driver of rising burnout, depression, and apathy among young adults. More choices don't make us free, they make us feel stuck. Sartre dug into this through his philosophy of existentialism, and it's eerily relevant in 2025. He said we're born free. No algorithm, no fate, no higher power decides for us. Every choice is ours. Sounds empowering, right? But here's the catch. Freedom means responsibility. Whether you're picking a coffee order, a career path on LinkedIn, or a partner on Hinge, the outcome, good or bad, is on you. Sartre called this existential anxiety, and it's why we're so stressed. Every choice opens up infinite possibilities, but you have to live with the consequences. It's like standing in front of endless doors in a digital maze. Do you swipe right, take that remote gig, or stick with your 9 to 5? You don't know if there's treasure or a dead end behind each door. And here's the kicker, even ghosting that choice, ignoring it, is a choice. Sartre said, "Man is condemned to be free." The more doors we face, the more anxious we get. This isn't just philosophy, it's our daily reality. Think about choosing a career path in 2025. Do I go for that AI startup, become a content creator on TikTok, or stick with my corporate job? Every path you pick means giving up the others, and the fear of missing out on a better life haunts you. Sartre saw this anxiety as the core of being human. Freedom sets us free, but it also traps us in endless overthinking, a total double-edged sword. In 2025, this problem is on steroids. Take dating apps like Hinge or Bumble, endless profiles curated by AI to show you the perfect match. You match with someone, but you keep swiping thinking, what if there's someone better? A 2025 Pew Research study found that 65% of dating app users feel lonelier than ever because of this. It's not just dating. Social media like TikTok and Instagram Reels amplify it. You're bombarded with everyone's perfect lives, hashtag van life, hashtag digital nomad, hashtag couple goals, and it makes your friendships feel shallow. Shopping? Try finding a pair of sneakers on Amazon or StockX. Thousands of options, TikTok reviews, and AI recommendations. But you're so overwhelmed, you just pick something trending. And don't get me started on career choices. A 2025 LinkedIn report says Gen Z changes jobs 6 times on average by age 30. Freelancing on Upwork, starting a side hustle on Etsy, or jumping into the creator economy on YouTube. Every choice leaves you wondering, did I pick the wrong path? This is Sartre's curse of freedom in full effect. The more options we have, the more we lose sight of what we want, and the more burned out we get. It's not just personal, it's systemic. Algorithms keep pushing better options, and TikTok shows you everyone else's perfect choices, making you feel like you're always missing out. We're not free, we're slaves to choice. This isn't new. History is full of people wrestling with choice. Before Sartre, Soren Kierkegaard, the father of existentialism, wrote about it. He said, "Marry and you'll regret it. Don't marry and you'll regret it too." That hits deep. It's the ultimate FOMO centuries before TikTok made it a thing. Kierkegaard lived it. Torn between faith and philosophy, he broke off his engagement, choosing solitude. It led to profound ideas, but also a lifetime of loneliness. Sartre felt it too. During World War II, he joined the French resistance, knowing his choice could get his friends killed, or label him a traitor if he didn't act. That weight crushed him. These stories show freedom isn't just empowering, it's heavy. Choice frees us, but it also burdens us. Look at someone like Edward Snowden in 2013. He chose to leak NSA secrets, knowing it'd make him a hero to some and a traitor to others. Every choice has a cost, and in 2025, we feel that more than ever. So, can we break free from this curse of choice in 2025? Sartre didn't have all the answers, but he gave us a starting point. We can't escape freedom, so we have to own it. Psychologist Barry Schwartz has a practical tip: limit your options. Instead of scrolling endlessly on Netflix, pick 3 shows from your watch list and decide from there. It takes the pressure off your brain and makes you happier with your choice. Another hack? Stop chasing perfection. In a world of AI-curated perfect options, tell yourself, this is good enough. What about you? If you're feeling crushed by choices, whether it's your career, your dating life, or even what to post on TikTok, pause and ask, what do I really want? Don't let algorithms decide for you, trust your gut. Sartre said freedom is heavy, but when we carry that weight, we make our lives truly ours. Sartre's insight that more choices push happiness away is something we all feel in 2025's chaotic world. If this hit home, you're not alone. This anxiety is part of being human in a world of endless options. Drop your story in the comments. What choices are stressing you out? And if you want more deep dives like this, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep exploring. See you in the next video.